morning. It is the beginning of week 2 of Vlogmas and I'm up early, dressed and ready. Hopefully trying to get a early and productive morning. So my goal this morning is to try and film some content because I have been kind of slacking on that this week, and then later this afternoon and evening me and Chan have a birthday dinner to attend. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a fun and productive day. Filming my first video of the day for a collab that I have on this Pyeongkangul cleansing mist or clear mist, and I actually really like it. It creates a nice like glowy finish on my skin and helps calm like the redness on my skin, so I'm really excited to keep using this. I have one more collab I need to film, but I'm running out of storage on my phone, which is a really big issue that I always have, and why I don't film as much is because I just don't have storage. So I gotta like edit and then clear some space on my phone, which is really annoying, but I think I'm gonna do that. And then after that, I think I'm gonna film some outfit content because like I mentioned in my last vlog, I want to get back into more fashion content, so we'll see how that goes. Crossing my fingers I have enough phone storage. All right, let's open a package together from Abercrombie. I got this during their Black Friday sale. Ooh, my hair looks crazy. I didn't think I got anything during Black Friday, but I guess I lied. I did get one thing. I just got like a plain, basic everyday skirt. This is what it looks like. Just a plain black skirt. Actually, maybe I can wear this tonight. Maybe I'll style it. But hopefully, yeah, let's see if it fits. Okay, the lighting is kind of terrible here, but I'm recording a voiceover for one of my collabs now, and I keep getting tongue-tied, and it's really funny, and I don't know, we'll see. I decided to record myself trying to do this, and maybe because I'm recording, then I will actually nail this. Okay, let's go. With a few good sprays, my skin felt instantly... See? I can't talk. Ah! Okay. Okay, not bad. Of course, when I'm not recording, then I mess up. But maybe I just have to record myself doing this more often. But success. I'm almost done editing this video, and then I'm going to get ready and stop by my dad's real quick, and then we're gonna head out to Brandon's birthday. Here's a sneak peek of the content I recorded this morning. Calm and soothe irritated skin with the Get Ready Quick Clear Mist from Pyeongkangul. It's formulated with 5 types of secret ingredients to quickly calm your skin. Alright, here's the look for tonight. Just a simple sweater and skirt outfit with some combat boots. I'm actually not really feeling this outfit, but we're running a little bit late, so it's gonna be casual. We're gonna be watching the Red Bull BC1 competition and then grabbing some dinner, so I'll take you guys along.
Yeah, 저 하나 주세요. Hey Brandon, how old are you?
Happy birthday!
Wow. birthday! Happy birthday!
Thanks. Found all the sweaters, so many colors. Nothing. Success.
Alone, kind of misty.
Happy Monday. So it's a new work week and I woke up super tired as usual. I feel like it's always so hard for me to recover from the weekends. And then tomorrow I have to go into the office, so I have to wake up even earlier because I have to commute and that takes like over an hour. So that won't be fun. But the game last night with the Grizzlies against the Wizards was super fun. I would say the ending was the most hype when they brought out Yuki, because that's literally the only reason why me and Melissa went to go to the game. And they weren't bringing him out, and then the crowd finally started cheering for him like in the last 7 minutes, and they brought him out for the last 5 minutes, and that's when the Wizards decided to actually play and score some points. But anyway, it was fun, a good way to end the weekend, and now I'm back in work mode. This week should hopefully be kind of slow at work now that last week was busy and done with. And then next week I am on vacation, so that should be a lot of fun. Okay, taking a quick break because I got a package in the mail. This is my Rosie album that I've been waiting for. Been listening to it basically all weekend. Ooh. Ta-da! I got the band cover one, so this isn't the original cover. This is like a limited edition version, I think. So this is the front of the album, and then this is the back. So pretty. I'll have to play it later on my record player. Good morning. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm headed into the office for our holiday party, and this is like honestly the 4 or 5 times out of the year where I go into the office, and it's really early. I had to wake up at 6:30 and it's super foggy outside. It's actually kind of like scary, but anyway, hopefully it'll be a fun day in the office and a fun holiday party. I'm hoping I can last the day and get through. I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep because I couldn't sleep last night. It's like the first day of school when you can't sleep. So I'll see if I can get some clips of the party. So yeah, I will catch you guys up later. for this. It's been sitting in the mailbox. Yeah. CD. Signed CD. Yay. So pretty. This is the inside. I'm on my way to meet Nee for lunch. It's been a really long time since we've hung out, so we're just gonna hang out, grab some lunch, and just catch up. It should be a lot of fun. I haven't left the house basically since I went to work, maybe like 2-3 days ago. So it'll be nice to get out and get some fresh air. Pick what's in our bag. There's the Freya. I want this bag. And I have my tote bag. It's so cute. Hopefully the music's not too loud. Chanel and YSL. Other girls do this? I don't know. YouTuber. One's Gentle Monster. These are just like Amazon. Oh no. Those are such a classic. I know. Cute. Alright, she has a fancy mirror, and I have this like Claire's. I have this like Claire's looking mirror, and we have the same hand sanitizer. And then our hand cream. Mine's giant. Oh my gosh, I want to try. I like their soap, but I try it. My hands are so disgusting. This one is the Reverend. I like their hand soap, so I want to try their hand. I have their hand soap. This feels so nice. Moisturizing. Okay, I'm definitely buying. Alright, I think that's everything. Thanks for watching. Hey, just finished dinner. Thanks for hanging out. Yes, I'm so good to see you. Good morning. So I'm on my way to go meet up with Brenda. We're gonna go walk around Christmas market. And I'm running a little bit late, but I want to do a quick fit check before I head out. So I'm just wearing this gray sweater with this cant silver chain, leather jacket. I have this cute like silver detail on my ponytail, some plaid pants, and then Aloha red sneakers. And yeah, that's the outfit. Now I gotta go head out. Hovering over you. Hi! Huevos rancheros.
Actually, I don't think I've ever gotten this.
Really? I always get this. It's so good.
It's so good. I am a fan.
I'm like hit or miss with cilantro.
Really?
I think I like a lot. What? I know, I'm Vietnamese. Like.
Check the results from her.
What is it? Which one do you want to try first? So we had pecan and strawberry.
I want to.
This is a strawberry. Alright, cheers.
The texture's so good.
Alright, let's try the pecan. Oh, so my gosh. Christmas themed earrings. The small bows.
So cute.
Yeah.
Wait, with the red, it's nice pop.
Yeah, look at all these holiday earrings. They're so cute.
So pretty.
These are so cute.
Oh my gosh, just Lulu, stay Lulu.
Yeah, I like that one.
Wait, those potatoes are so cute.
I want one.
Get one.
Perfect. Mini one.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Okay, I think this is the potato I'm gonna get.
It's so cute.
Tap here?
Yes.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Potato. Thank you. Yay, I got my emotional support potato.
I want to make one. I think I'm gonna make it.
Bye.
What
Back
up?
at the sushi.
And then like your
This
bill
is
is
what
like
we got
massive.
so far.
Yeah, true.
That's how they think you buy it.
Try this Alright, another one.
Ready? Ready? Alright, it's coming. Boom.
Alright, let's see what Morgan's got.
It's kind of hard to open.
Really?
You gotta crack pop it open.
Hey. Oh yeah. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Like this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got the little udon.
What is that?
Oh, cute!
That's cute.
Yeah.
This is the one that I wanted.
The options.
Currently at Tesla.
We're in Asia right now. This is Taiwan.
All these snacks. I know. Look, all this green tea.
We're in Hangul right now.
Look at all these candies.